they should be reminded for the past 3 wars how they had lost, and we have to send the visuals to them. Around 70,000 soldiers, how they were treated with a lot of respect. At the same time, if they try to overboard, every Indian will come to Pakistan. If a need arises, if a need arises that they want to do that they want to spill blood, they want to fill blood there, I think we'll come there. We'll spill our blood for our nation. I think any sensible leader, any leader of a great responsibility, he should not have spoken like that. I think he should be reminded of his past, his country's past.
Modi gayab ho gaya, and this is the photograph that they have put out.
This is not, there is a terrorist slogan, that's all jihadi slogan, Sartan se juda. You want to tell Prime Minister that's the slogan you wanted to say? For me, this particular visual, as you're saying, if this is it, what they had done, it's a great humiliation, it's a threat to Honorable Prime Minister Modi. They had 5 cases. They had asked whether are you Hindu or not. This is not the first time they had done it. Hindu genocide happened in Kashmiri with Kashmiri Pandits. Especially, I personally have an experience in 86 and 89. We used to, for a regular consecutive 4 years, we were there. And last 88 to 89, we had seen the growing hatred towards Kashmiri Pandits. A lot of people used to work for us, so we used to know the plight of Kashmiri Pandits. After 89, more than lakhs of Kashmiri Hindus migrate. I mean, they've been forced to leave their homelands and leave their homes, and they've been killed, they had been butchered, and they had been slaughtered. I think that is nothing but a continuity of that.